everyone, some of you have said to me that you're on a budget and you don't have a lot of money to spend on stationery supplies. So today I've put together a letter using products that I found at discount and budget friendly stores. So let's get started. Firstly, I have these beautiful writing paper pads that I got for $3 each from a store called Zap Variety. I've also got some washi tape that I got from Kmart for $4 each. And as you can see, the designs are really pretty. And I've also got some paper clips that I got from Kmart for $4 each as well. And some metallic pens that I picked up from Aldi that weren't any more than $10. So let's begin. So I've decided to go for the floral writing pad, and taking my metallic gel pens, I'm just going to start writing my letter. Next, I decided I wanted to decorate my envelope. So I've got these envelopes here that were also from Zap Variety, and they were $3 as well. I then have this little star die cut that I got from the reject shop. I've shown them in another video, and I'm just going to glue that down. And next I wanted to include a washi sample for my Penpal. So I've got these tags here, and I can't remember the name of the store I got these from, but it was a discount store. And they're only very cheap. And I'm just going to pick out a purple coloured one, and I'm going to make my washi tape sample. And I'll just speed through this because you've seen me do it so many times before. Next, I wanted to include some little cutout shapes for my Penpal. So I'm just taking this pad of printed paper that I got from the reject shop in a previous video. I can't remember the price of it, but it wouldn't have been any more than $5. And I'm just taking this gold foil paper and using my heart cutout punch, I'm going to start punching out some hearts. Next, I wanted to make a little envelope to include my letter and my goodies for my Penpal. So I'm just choosing some pattern paper again, and I'm just going to fold in the edges of the paper so it can be sealed with a sticker. And I'm also going to use it to make a mail tag for my Penpal. So here is me just gathering my budget-friendly Penpal letter and assembling everything together. As you can see, it's just a really simple idea for your Penpal letter. And I'm also going to include some of the paper clips and I'm going to add a tea sample as well. And then I've just taken one of the die cuts that I showed previously that I got from Zap Variety, and I'm just going to, I turned it into a sticker, and I'm just going to stick that down so it all holds in. And I'm just arranging my letter how I like it to appear folded. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this really simple idea for putting together a pen pal letter on a budget. It was really fun to make, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Remember to subscribe for more pen pal related videos. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next time.